Welcome to our video on building wealth. From a realistic perspective, we'll explore practical strategies, from setting goals to making smart investments, helping you understand how to grow your financial future step by step. To begin with, we have to fully comprehend that wealth isn't built overnight. We need to set realistic expectations. It requires a solid plan and consistent effort. Start by auditing your finances, understanding your income, expenses, savings, and debts to set a strong foundation. Building wealth isn't about luck or quick schemes. It's about understanding where you are now and where you want to go. You need a solid plan and realistic goals. Once you know where you stand, define your financial goals. Focus on short-term objectives like saving, budgeting, or starting a side hustle, and plan for long-term goals such as stocks, investments, or real estate. Short-term goals help you address immediate needs and build momentum, while long-term goals set the stage for sustainable financial growth. For quick cash flow, consider short-term strategies. Find side hustles that fit your skills, like freelancing, online selling, or rideshare driving, or even food delivery on free days. Every extra dollar you earn today helps you move forward tomorrow. Leverage your skills by creating courses, designing logos, or writing content to generate additional revenue. Don't forget about passive income streams. Create digital products, start a blog, or launch a YouTube channel. These ventures can generate income with minimal ongoing effort, allowing your money to work for you. Now, let's focus on long-term wealth building. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrency investments, and index funds can grow your money over time. Think of it as planting seeds that will eventually grow into a financial forest. By consistently investing, even small amounts, you can take advantage of the power of compounding, where your money earns returns on its returns, leading to exponential growth over the years. Start by exploring index funds and ETFs, which are low-cost, diversified options that track the performance of the broader market. They're ideal for beginners and seasoned investors alike because they reduce the risks associated with picking individual stocks. Real estate is another powerful tool for building wealth. Consider buying a rental property or flipping houses to create stability and equity. Real estate investments can provide both income and long-term growth. Not only it generates cash flow, but also appreciates over time, increasing your equity and net worth. Even if managing properties isn't your style, options like real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in large-scale real estate projects without the hands-on commitment. Building daily habits that align with your financial goals is crucial. Visualization and discipline are key to achieving your financial goals. Create a vision board, write down your goals, and revisit them often. This keeps you motivated and focused on your wealth-building journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. We're here to support you on your journey to financial success. Thank you for watching! And always remember that wealth starts in your mind. Visualize your success, stay disciplined, and take consistent action. These mental strategies are just as important as the financial tactics you employ.